An adult has been killed and a child has been seriously injured after a truck crashed into a kindergarten about 60 km northwest of Melbourne. The truck crashed into the kindergarten on Main Road in Riddells Creek about 2:20 p.m. An adult, who is yet to be formally identified, has died at the scene, according to police. A child was injured and has been taken to hospital with serious, but non-life-threatening injuries. The driver of the truck has also been taken to hospital for observation. The exact circumstances are being investigated. Anyone with information is urged to contact Crime Stoppers